Ba-dum, bum, bum.
Windy pig, oh, windy, 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 windy pig.
Afternoon, welcome back to my garage. It's a nice day, sun's out, doors open, some fresh air in here. I crashed the trumpet, as you can see, smashed a hole in the side case, and that pissed me off. But the trumpets are being fixed, just painting up some bits. You might be able to see it in the background hanging off the wall over there, just clearing in the sunshine. But today's job is, as the trumpet's off the road, and I've got a brake caliper seal kit for it, I thought I would just quickly do one of those, show you how that's done. If you're interested. The first job you've got with these brake jobs is get the kit, obviously, and then have a look how you get your caliper off safely, properly. Again, that's easy enough most times, unless you buy a bike like this, where it's single swing arm, and then all the bolts are in behind something else, and of course I parked the bike the wrong way around. I don't want to move it because I'll get oil everywhere, so this is going to be a right fuck along. But you can come and fuck along with me. Right, let's go and show you by the bike first. Like, as I said, everything's, the caliper itself is on the disc in here, on the belt underneath. So the first job, unfortunately, is to get in there and get those bolts undone. And I don't know if this little set will ever big enough. But, no, alright. Bear with me, I thought I might be the case. It's 14, what's the biggest, is it 14 I need? Is it 14 I need? Bear with. Is that one here? 13 as well. Oh. Right, the other things you're probably going to need is, because you're old, something to kneel on, something to put your tools on the side here. I don't know if I can see in the camera, there's a little table here. And something to catch any drips, because you're going to spill some fluid in a minute probably. Then we'll get these off. I fucking did these up, you cunt. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Go on, let's get a longer fucking... Jesus Christ. Gonna need some leverage. Not that much fucking leverage though. Jesus, this is not going well, is it? Oh. Right, let's start again. So, first job is to find out who works at Triumph back when they made this bike, and then curse their name for hiding all the bolts on an underslung caliper in behind a filthy old sprocket. But otherwise, you just need to get the caliper off first, which we'll do now. There's not a lot of room to work, as I said, so I don't know if you can see much of this. Fucking who's done these up? There we go, one. I'll tell you who did these up, it was probably fucking me. When I serviced it last time. Fucking hell. Right, let's get the little one in there now, or we can work a bit easier in there. Or just throw it on the floor, either way. But yeah, people seem to be intimidated by during things like this, brake jobs. And I can understand it, because not being able to stop when you need to is pretty fucking rubbish. But it's unlikely to happen. I think you'd have to really do something really fucking stupid to fuck this up. Of course, it's always going to be easy on a bike like this, where everything's sort of new and loose and not fucking seized. But, you know, the principle's there, and getting bolts and stuff unseized isn't the end of the world. Anyway, so that's the first bit of this job. Next bit is to get these pads out. So I'm just going to grab some Allen keys and a little flat screwdriver to get those out. And again, this will depend on your bike, exactly how it comes apart. And I'm not going to go through how this one does. Well, I will go through it as I'll show you, but you know, it'll change bike to bike what how you get everything apart. There you go. I'm going to sort of put the bits in because I know I'll lose them otherwise. Apologise for the noises I make when I fucking stand up. Well, I crashed the trumpet. I fucked my knee up as well a little bit. I'm walking a bit funny. But that's how it goes sometimes. It's one slide pin. Stick that in there. Second slide pin. That chain's a bit loose, windy. That one's doing, doesn't it, as well, by the look of it. Get that done this week. Tighten up a little bit. Although it's usually pretty. I've got quite soft suspension on this because I'm a big fat cunt, so it might be alright once I'm sat on it. I'll have to have a look at that. Right, slide pin out. There we go. And then these are nice and easy. That one drops out of there. One drops out of there. If you've got a caliper that hasn't got that has got two pads the same that aren't sort of obvious which one's which, mark the back of them because it's always best to put them back in the way they come out. Because they'll have worn into your disc as you've been riding around in them. Unless of course you put new pads in, then it doesn't matter, does it? So the next thing to do is just slide, for me anyway, it's just slide this hanger out like that. That's there. Take these two boots out while we're at it, so they don't get damaged or covered in shit. Oh, I might leave that one in actually, because that's hard to get in and out. Yeah, I'll just be careful of that. Next thing to do, that clip going to come out of there or not? It's going to stuck in. Yeah, get the clip out. That can come out of there. Next thing you want to do is you want to get these pistons out quite a long way, nearly as far as you can really, just by pumping the rear brake. So, you see how one's moving a lot further than the other one? That's one of the problems I'm having, is that one's seizing up, so I'm not getting very good braking. I think that'll be it for that one. And then to get the other one out, if that one's not letting it go, I use one of these G-clamp things. Just clamp on. There we go. Not tight, like, just not trying to push it back in, just enough to hold that one while I pump the other one out. There we go. They're both quite good at, quite far out now, so actually that one's a bit further along. I'm going to pump the other one on more, I think. Just so I've got them out as far as I can. If one of them pops, that's how it goes. Perfect. That'll do, I think, for the minute. Next thing to do is get something to catch fluid in. Now this is my oil pan rather than a proper fluid container, but this is all going to go in the same bucket, so it doesn't really matter. Right, let's get this here. Let's break that banjo bolt. Is that going to be a 14 as well? They're going to be nice to me like that. They bloody well are as well, I think. Oh, that's fucking weird. Someone's rounded that the fuck off. Oh dear. Or is it just an odd shape? Just an odd shape. Socket don't go on. It's weird. Never seen that before. The front one the same? No. It was a normal bolt. Well, let's try this anyway. Let's see if we can get this on here. Oh, fuck me. I might put that back on again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to do it on me. I don't want to put the hanger back in, do I, really? Yeah, I'm going to have to. Right. So, this is a lesson in fucking it up. I'm just going to slide this, if I can get it back in. Hanger back in. Put the caliper back on the bike. And undo that. Crack that while it's on the bike, I think. I have to be really careful. I have to go and get a bit of something to... No, I can't. The piston's too far out. Oh, it's going to fuck me up, isn't it? Oh, bear with me while I get this undone. I have to go and get the fucking impact out. No, I definitely got some brake banjo bolts somewhere, so we should be able to sort this out. But... there we go. Fuck me, that was hard. I'm definitely going to put a new banjo bolt on there though, because that's fucking weird. A very strange banjo bolt on there. The head on it's not a banjo bolt. Well, it's not a normal hex head thing. Right, that's that there. Leave that to drip in there. Yeah, look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Look at the state of that. It's weird. A weird banjo bolt, but I think I've got some spares. So anyway, that's that off. Oh, fucking fluid everywhere. So take this slider back out. And there. Put that banjo bolt in the box. And we'll go back to the bench. See you in a second.
Ba-dum, bum, bum.
Windy pig, oh, windy, 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 windy pig, oh, windy